Assalamualaikum. My name is Sara Ansari. My father name is Muhammad Mohsin Ansari. I study in 8th class. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers and my dear friends. Happy Independence Day to all. I am studying in front of you to deliver I speech on Independence Day on this day of 15 August. In 1947 we get independence from the British. The freedom we are enjoying today ruled of dictates of long struggle and sacrifices made by our freedom fighter we sold. Member of great leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gandhi Ji, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I love my India. Thank you so much.